Now I am explaining to you SBI PO preliminary question paper number 123. See, the first five questions are rearrangement of sentences. I am reading the instruction first. Each sentence given below is divided into five parts. The first part of the sentence is correct and is given in bold, followed by four parts named 1, 2, 3, and 4. Rearrange the four parts of the sentence to make a coherent passage. Coherent means order, united. They are in disorder. We have to place these four sentences in the proper order. So I'm reading the first sentence. Over the years, there has been a thrust on improving technology and capacity in the railways, and the outcome of these, we have good clue here. These in grammar is called adjective. After this, we require noun form. Let us see options. Projects, noun form, and conjunction, fully, adverb, proposals, noun form. So, P correct. These projects related to the daily dedicated freight corridor, high speed rail, and there are also proposals for semi high speed rail corridors, though there is a debate on their real efficacy on existing corridors, and the western and the eastern DFCs are under construction. So now the answer has come. First P, second S, third Q, fourth R. What is the order now? P, S, Q, R. Option 4 is correct. Next sentence, next question. The government has recognized the contribution. Government has recognized the contribution of startups to the economy via incentives such as tax breaks on ESOPs for 5 years. And let us identify the first word of each line. Such. This is adjective in grammar. Increasing, it is called present participle. Inform is called present participle. Tax rationalization, noun form. Micro, small, and medium. This is a phrase. A group of words is called phrase. I'm reading the first part. The government has recognized the contribution of startups to the economy via incentives such as tax breaks on ESOPs for 5 years. Tax rationalization. 5-year tax rationalization for startups. So students, you have to understand the last part of the given statement and how does it continue. So here 5 years, this is adjective. Adjective usually takes a noun form. Tax rationalization for startups with 100 crore turnover. So this R is considered first part. Next, how does it end? Doing business. Business, micro, small, and medium enterprises are the lifeblood of a vibrant economy. This is called phrase in grammar. So that can be considered a second part. How does it end? Improving credit access, improving, inform. What is it called in grammar? Present participle. Improving credit access, and is called coordinating conjunction. Where what comes next? Inform, definitely. Here we have inform present participle. After and, same thing is repeated. Where is it? Increasing cash in hand. Easily we can identify the order. Increasing cash in hand for these businesses, and enabling, we have one more inform also, enabling non-banking financial companies to SMS. What remains? P. So answer is, what is the answer? RSQP. Option 4 is correct. Next question. Few years Government of India has infused about 3,50,000 crore by way of capital into public sector banks for regulatory and growth deposit has already ordered. Easy. Regulatory and growth purposes and reforms would be carried out in these banks so that they become more competitive and government has approved, government subject has approved consolidation of 10 banks into 4 and further credit guarantee corporation has been permitted to increase deposit insurance coverage for a depositor which was 1 lakh earlier has been made 5 lakh for depositor now in order to reduce. Quite easy to look at the option. Our answer is PRQS. Where is it? PRQS, option 4 correct. See students, next sentence. Since 2014, the Swachh Bharat mission has swept the nation and is today regarded as the largest behavioral change program for sanitation the leadership, the world eliminating with the world has ever seen and most important differentiating factor which allowed the SBM, which allowed Q. Q is considered first sentence. Leadership and with the Prime Minister backing effort right from the top. This can be considered the second one. With an investment in excess of 1 lakh crore rupees over the past 5 years can be considered the third one. And the remaining, this is the last one. What is the order? QPSR. QPSR. Next question is, the government of India has launched an ambitious scheme, Ayushman Bharat, that aims at undertaking path-breaking interventions to holistically address heat at primary, secondary, tertiary levels. Ayushman Bharat is India's bellwether in its efforts towards achieving UN Sustainable Development Goal. Universal health coverage and by treating health not as segmented system but as one comprehensive. It's two components, health and wellness center, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. And finally, and under the first component of Ayushman Bharat, what is the order? QPSR. Option 1 is correct. See students, 4 sentences marked as 1, 2, 3, 4 are given below. There are grammatical errors in 3 parts. So this is an interesting part. Purely questions are asked on common errors. So we have to find out the sentence which is grammatically correct. It is a good exercise. If you follow grammatical rules, you can easily answer such type of questions. Let us see. Leading stock exchange BSE has issued a new set of guidelines for bidding in the offer for sale that requires, we have got error here. See students, leading stock exchange BSE, this is the subject of this sentence. You have to identify whether it is in singular number or plural number. Stock exchange BSE is a singular number. What is the rule? When subject is singular, verb is also singular. Of course, first verb has issued singular. We have second verb in the sentence, require. Require is a plural verb. What do we add here? Requires, correct. So first sentence, error. See the second sentence. The pessimists may dismiss the form of the digitalization as a futile exercise, and the fact is that much can be achieved. See, Pessimists may dismiss the form of the digitalization as a futile exercise. Correct. Correct. This sentence is correct, students. Third one, the blame for rising obesity rates. This is the subject of this sentence. In this subject, blame keyword. Keyword is in singular number. Have, error. We require singular verb has. Has been pinned on many things, including have more caloric diet. Okay. Fourth sentence, the government is mulling improving regulation to ensure. We have error here. So we have clear rule in grammar. Ensure is called transitive verb. The verb ensure always takes conjunction that. But what is given here? Whether, error. Whether is conjunction, that is also conjunction. Clearly we have a rule. Ensure takes conjunction that. So what are the errors here? First one is error, third one is error, fourth one is error. So the only sentence without error is second sentence. So option 2 is correct. Next, educating women on their rights and ensuring. We have error. See here, educating. How does sentence begin with? Inform. Inform is called gerund. Educating women on their rights. This is the first part of the sentence. How does the second part begin? Ensure. Error. We have a clear rule in English grammar. When the first part begins with inform, second part also begins with the same form. So educating, ensuring. Here we have error. First part is with error. So second sentence, the need of the hour is, this is called clause. The need of the hour is to arrive at bold decisions, notwithstanding the fact that India is a peace-loving country, which is also against the use of military means. We have error here. Students, these are all direct rules in grammar. Means. This is a noun form here. What is the meaning of the noun means here? Source. So there is a clear rule. The noun means in English grammar, wherever it is used, it must be in plural number. But here it is given singular, error. So first sentence error, second sentence error. Let us see third sentence. Toppers have a tendency to be overconfident of their achievements and they become jittery. Good word. Jittery is adjective in grammar. Jittery means nervous. Nervous, anxious, tension. When it comes to, we have clear rule, error here. There is a clear rule, students. When it comes to, it is called a usage in English grammar. What does the rule say? The usage when it comes to always takes inform. So what is the right answer? Handling, correct. When it comes to handling. So third sentence is also error. Let us the fourth one. He has donated a meager amount for the construction of the school building. Correct. He has donated a meager amount. Meager means a small amount for the construction of the school building. But tells everyone, good. Excellent usage. Tells everyone as if is a usage in the language. As if denotes imaginary things. As if he had donated, correct. There is a clear rule. The usage as if always takes past perfect tense. What is past perfect in English grammar? Had. Lakhs of rupees. See students, I am reading. The last sentence is correctly given. He has donated a meager amount for the construction of the school building. This is one clause. Second clause begins here. Tells everyone as if he had donated lakhs of rupees. So the sentence is without error. So in this sentence our option is 4. Next, 8th one. In case, this is usage. In case, give a pause and continue. An applicant does not get a reply within the indicated timeline. In this clause, where is subject? An applicant. While reading a sentence in common errors, you have to identify whether the subject is in singular number or plural number. Applicant, singular number. So does not get a reply within the indicated timeline. They, error here. They, error. Applicant is singular. How can we use they here? They is plural, no. Applicant singular, he correct. He can approach the head of the department who will respond with the status of the application. So first sentence is error. Second one, the suddenly demonetization, error. What is demonetization in grammar? Noun. Before noun, what do we use? Adjective. What is suddenly? Adverb. Wrong. What is the right answer? Sudden. Sudden. The sudden demonetization policy and the consequent cash crunch have resulted. Okay. Second sentence is also with error. Third, technology professionals have a language of their own, but when it comes to error, this is also a usage. When it comes to always takes inform. So work error, working correct. The business world. Okay. First sentence error, second sentence error, third sentence error. Let us see the fourth one. The wealthy in India. Wealthy means rich people. The wealthy in India spend an average of about 4.60 lakh per year on household expenses with groceries. Groceries means vegetables, shopping and food and beverages. Being the largest spend categories across all the demographic groups. Exactly given. See students, I am explaining again. Fourth sentence, it is a long sentence, but there is no error. The wealthy in India spend an average of about 4.60 lakh per year on, what do they spend on? Household expenses, for grocery, for shopping, for food, for beverages. Beverages means drink, water, cool drinks, etc. Being the largest spend categories across all the demographic. So fourth sentence is correct. Next. Telecom minister announced, this is called main clause. Announced, what is the tense here? Past tense. The telecom minister announced that telecom operators will waive error. When the first verb is in past tense, next verb should also be past tense. Announced past, will wrong, would correct. So in sentence 1 there is error. Second sentence, China is the world's large, error. World's apostrophe s is used. There is a clear rule in grammar. After apostrophe s, adjective must be superlative degree. What is superlative degree of large? Largest. Large, error. Largest rice importer. So second sentence is error. Third, whenever a person is admitted in a heart attack, the first thing the cardiologist does, error. The cardiologists, that means heart specialists. Singular or plural? Plural. When the subject is plural, verb is also plural. See students, does in grammar is a singular verb. What is its plural form? Do. So here does wrong, do correct. So sentence 1 error, 2 error, 3 error. Now let us see the fourth sentence. With the advent of the new technology, genetic engineering, scientific extremists and anti-technologists have raised their concerns to block its budding future. Correct. See, I am reading again. With the advent of. Advent means arrival, introduction. New technology. What is the name of that technology? Genetic engineering. Scientific extremists, anti-technologists have raised. Correct. So extremists plural, technologists plural. So have plural. After have, what do we use? Past participle, third form. Correct. Their nouns are plural, so pronoun is also plural. Correct. To block its budding future. What is its here? Engineering. Engineering singular, so it says also singular. So fourth sentence is exactly correct. Yes, he suggested me to attend. A very big error here. Students, see, verb suggest in English grammar is called reporting verb. After the verb suggest, we don't use to infinitive. We must use a conjunction that. Clear rule. Suggest wherever it is used, it takes conjunction that. So the right answer is he suggested me that I should. Should is called modal verb. It is structured in English grammar. Suggest that should. So to attend, wrong. Second sentence, though you are meritorious and hardworking, unless you have a strong desire to secure a job, you cannot prepare well. Good. Correctly given. See, I'm reading again. Though you are meritorious and hardworking, unless already makes negative meaning. Sometimes here they give negative, then it is wrong. Here negative is not given positive, correct. You have a strong desire to secure a job. You cannot prepare well, correct. One of the brothers, error, no. Second sentence is correct. Third sentence, one of. It's a clear rule. The usage one of always takes plural number. One of the brothers, correct. Fourth sentence, while he was walking along the way, Amar found Naresh in the shade of a tree. This is correct. Under the shade of a tree and brought him home in the village. So in this question, the sentence without error is 2. Now students, it's a good exercise. 2 statements are given. We have to express the meaning of these 2 statements by using any of these 3. See the statement, the leader has a vast experience in dealing with the issues of the state. What is the meaning? The leader is experienced. So when you read a statement, you have to understand the main theme of the sentence. The leader has a vast experience. Yes. Even the common man is happy in his administration. What is the meaning here? As the leader is, in spite of, not correct, in order to, not correct, as the leader has a vast experience in dealing with the issues of the state, even common man is happy. Only 3 is correct. Where is only 3? Option 3 correct. Next sentence. There was a heavy rain in the town all the day yesterday. People could not come out of the house. Quite easy. So why people could not come out? Because there was heavy rain. Due to, correct no? Due to always shows a cause. What was the cause? Heavy rain. Correct. By dint of, wrong. By dint of shows result. Owing to, wrong. Owing to shows personal reason. Personal reason. Rain is not personal reason. Rain is a natural cause. So what is our answer? Only 1. Where is it? Only 1. Option 2 correct. Next sentence. The candidates answered all the questions in the test. Yes. Candidate answered all the questions. They returned the answer sheet to the invigilator. What happened here? First action. They answered all the question. Second, they returned the answer sheet. Okay. Since the candidates wrong. What does since show? Since shows reason. Not correct. Having answered, correct. Having in grammar is called perfect participle. What does it denote? 2 continuous actions. So having answered, right. Next, as soon as the candidates answered, correct. 2 and 3. Where are 2 and 3? Option 3 correct. Next sentence. The young man is sincere and duty-minded at his work. The management has recognized it. 2 points. Young man is sincere. Management recognized. Let us see. The young man's sincerity is recognized. Correct. That the young man. No. The sincerity of the young man has been recognized. 1 and 3 correct. Where are 1 and 3? Option 4 correct. Next. 1 in 4 Indian teenagers suffers from depression. 2016 National Mental Health Survey of India showed mental disorders to be nearly double. Okay. Out of, correct. What is given in the statement? 1 in 4 out of, correct. Although, no. Although denotes condition, while no. While denotes time. So here only one is correct. Option 1. Next, question number 16. See students here, fill in the blank, single pillar. In preliminary examination, questions are asked on single pillar. Okay, let us see. Administration has taken positive steps to blank. See the options 2. After 2, what do we require? Base form. To increase? No. To devise? No. To renovate? No. To revamp? Correct. Revamp means remodel. Dispel, dispel means clarify. Removing the doubts, clarifying the doubts. Option 4 is correct. Administration has taken positive steps to revamp the education system. Revamp means remodel, renovate. Yes. Health and education sectors are one of the most blank sectors. Beneficial sectors, necessary sectors, profitable sectors, lucrative, right answer. Lucrative sectors we say. Lucrative, health and education. Lucrative means easy to earn money. Easy to earn money. Nowadays, education and health sectors lucrative. Next one. She is an aware citizen who has always blank to contribute to the progress of the country. Who has always wished, admired means loved, prepared, motivated, stimulated means encouraged. First one is correct, wished. She is an aware citizen who has always wished to contribute, right answer. Next question. In the beginning, I looked blank. I looked after, I looked around, looked above, looked out, looked down. Correct. I looked around, could not find quite the car I dreamed of. Phrasal verb. And the RBI has played conservative in blank a rate cut. RBI blank. Introducing? No. Proposing? No. Improving? No. Decreasing? Announcing? Right answer. RBI has played conservative in announcing. Next question. See students, we have close test here. It's a good exercise. We have close test here. Yes, I'm reading. Suzuki Motor Corporation expects India to grow into the third biggest car market in the world by 2020 and is blank. What are the options given? Decided. See, before the blank we have B form, no? The verb decide is not used in passive voice. Determined, deteriorated, detracted, detested. Deteriorate means decrease. Detract, detest means hate. Two right answer. Determined. Is determined. Determined means strongly decided to play a big part in that growth. Company whose arm Maruti Suzuki India commands nearly 50% of the passenger vehicle market in the country has already started blank. Started, what has it started? Activities? No. Procedures? No. Operations? Right answer. Has already started operations. Provisions? Provisions means arrangements. Engagements? No. Option 3 is correct. Operations. As its new plant in Gujarat, as part of the plan to raise its total production to 2 million units by 2020. The company plans to introduce more new products in India given even as it gears up. Gears up means get ready, brings up, copes up means manage, makes up means cover, looks up means search. Option 1. These are phrasal verbs. Gears up, right answer. And to meet additional demand by increasing its production capacity. The Gujarat plant is blank to have an installed capacity of 75 lakh units. Is induced, enforced, acknowledged, enveloped, envisaged, right answer. Envisaged means estimated, predicted, right answer. And Maruti Suzuki India is blank product introductions with an eye to strengthen its hold in the Indian market. Exceeding, that means go beyond. Accelerating, right answer. Accelerate means speed up. Accomplishing, no. Evolving means changed. Enduring means continuing. Accomplishing means succeeding. Option 2 is correct. What do we have here? Reading comprehension. First, let us see the questions. What is the most important factor in merging the banks? Okay, direct question. Which of the following statement is correct? Direct question. Yes, vocabulary. Yes, direct question. Narasimhan committee and phrase raised the flag. See, students, I am reading the passage. For its sheer magnitude, the scale, and the ability to disrupt the status quo, mega bank mergers announced by Finance Minister must go down as the most significant the banking industry has seen in the 5 decades since nationalization. The bottom line is clear: to create banks of global level that can leverage economic of scale and balance sheet size to serve the needs of a 5 trillion economy by 2025. The jury is, of course, out on whether the strategy will succeed. Measures are driven by synergies. Good word. Synergy means work together. Work together. In products, costs, business, geographies of technology, most important cost synergies. While there may be some geographical synergies between the banks being merged, unless they realize cost synergies through branch and staff rationalization. Rationalize means reduce, control. The measures may not mean much to them or to the economy. This is where the government strategy will be tested. It is no secret that public sector banks are overstaffed. There is also bound to be overlap in branch networks, such as in the Canara Syndicate Bank merger, especially in Karnataka and a couple of other southern states. Ditto with Punjab National Bank, Oriental Bank of Commerce, both of. So, student, this passage is about the merger of banks. Do we have words here? Yes, consolidation. Consolidation is a good word. Okay. Now let us see the questions. First question: what is the important factor? What is the important factor in merging the banks? To serve the needs of 5 trillion economy? Yes, it is clearly mentioned in the passage. Rationalize overstaff? No. To create banks of global level that can leverage economies of scale? 1 and 3 correct. 1 and 3. Both 1 and 3. Option 3 correct. Next question. Which of the following statements is true? Is it true? First, biggest plus of merger is that they will create banks of scale, correct? Mergers may not mean much to the economy, correct? Public sector banks are overstaffed, correct? All the 3 correct. Next question is meanings are asked, no? Match the following. what is asked? We have to find out the correct consolidation, work together, rationalization, combination, synergy, work together, sensitive, justification. Okay. A4, no. B3, no. C1, correct. Synergy means work together. D2, no. Answer is 3, C1. What were the recommendations of Narasimhan Committee? Consolidation through a process of merging strong banks. Yes, this is the recommendation. Shutting down the weaker banks. No. Not merging weaker banks. No. Only one is right answer. Next one. What is the meaning of the phrase raised the red flag? Raise the red flag means warn that there would be a trouble in future. Warn about the trouble, right? Face the trouble, create the trouble, settle the trouble, cause the trouble. One is right answer. So student, this is today's paper. We shall meet again.